Well, I think we all have to be careful who we have work on our stuff. Jared called me over there and said, "Hey, can you tell me why this rotor is dragging while I'm driving it?" Story is, this lift kit was just put on here not too long ago by a four-wheel drive company. It's brand new. And then the kit that came with it is these Chinese adjusters for the lower control arm. And they were garbage, just complete trash. Modified them and got it aligned perfectly, no problem at all. Drive straight going down the road. Then we get to the back of the truck, pull the pads off of it. I wonder why it's grinding when you're going down the road. Mr. Customer asked, "Can you look at my brakes?" The shop had to pull everything apart, and when they put everything back together after they painted the calipers to look good through the wheels, they can't figure out why it's grinding. Well, we pull the wheels off, and I would say that's why it's grinding. Look at the four-wheel drive company that did the lift on this truck.
Oh, nice.
When they painted the calipers and everything, they stuck the brake pad back on backwards, so it's metal backing on face, and then there's the piston pushing into. So, look at that. What was the deal with these pins that you found? The pins the shit pins for the adjusting the lower control arms?
Oh, no, the aftermarket ones, the centric is just on the bolt, and what happens is the hole will get walled out.
Yeah.
Like from the turning, if it doesn't move
enough
for something to seize, it just strips it out, and then the bolt just spins.
And so that's why you had to modify that to make it actually work.
But the Ford ones actually have the centric built into the top part of the...
So it doesn't do that stripping out shit.
Like here. See, this is not the Ford one. This is also aftermarket. This is Napa. But Ford will have the centric on the bolt.
Yeah. Oh, it's part of it.
It's part of it.
Yeah,
right.
yeah, I've seen those kits.
So there's no way. This one was just Napa aftermarket. They'd put it on the nut instead of the bolt. It works, but I still like tightening the nut to the bolt versus the bolt to the nut.
Absolutely. Makes more sense that way.
It does.
Feels better. Feels much better. So, he had to modify the cheap ones to actually make them function like the Ford ones. And I mean, unfortunately, this is just how it is sometimes, because four-wheel drive company obviously had their own issues. The life of a dealer tech.